Places and environment. Architecture. Architecture. The style and design of buildings, or the process of planning and making them. Example sentences. 1. A man is studying architecture because he wants to design and build a tall apartment building. 2. He is learning architecture at the university. Border. Border. The line or edge that separates two countries, areas, or things. Example sentences. 1. The police check travelers at the border between the two countries. 2. The river forms the border between the two towns. Capital. Capital. The main city of a country or state. Example sentences. 1. Paris is the capital of France. 2. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. District. District. A part of a city, town, or country that has its own area or purpose. Example sentences. 1. They live in the business district of the city. 2. The school is in the same district as the hospital. Landmark. Landmark. A building, statue, or place that is easy to recognize and important for history, culture, or travel. Example sentences. 1. The Eiffel Tower is the most famous landmark in Paris. 2. The clock tower is the town's most popular landmark. Landscape. Landscape. The natural view of an area including mountains, trees, rivers, or fields. It can also mean the way land is designed or arranged. Example sentences. 1. The mountains made a beautiful landscape. 2. The artist painted the village landscape. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. The area around someone's home, or a small part of a town where people live. Example sentences. 1. She has many friends in her neighborhood. 2. Everyone in the neighborhood helped clean the streets. Region. Region. A large area of land that has something in common, like geography, culture, or climate. Example sentences. 1. The northern region of Thailand is very mountainous. 2. This wine comes from a famous wine-growing region in France. Suburb. Suburb. A residential area outside the main city, where people live but usually work in the city. Example sentences. 1. Many families live in the suburbs because it is peaceful. 2. He takes the train from the suburb to go to work in the city. Territory. Territory. An area of land that belongs to or is controlled by a country, ruler, or animal. Example sentences. 1. The lion defends its territory from other lions. 2. Farmers worked hard to protect their territory from flooding. Objects and technology. Appliance. Appliance. A device or machine, usually for home use, that performs a specific task. Example sentences. 1. The kitchen has many modern appliances, like a refrigerator and microwave. 2. He bought a new appliance to clean the carpet. Device. Device. A device or machine, usually for home use, that performs a specific task. Example sentences. 1. The phone is a useful device for communication. 2. Scientists invented a device to measure air pollution. Equipment. Equipment. The tools, machines, or items needed to do a particular job or activity. Example sentences. 1. The photographer packed all his equipment before the trip. 2. Farmers need special equipment to harvest crops. Gadget. Gadget. A small tool or device that is useful for a particular purpose, often electronic. Example sentences. 1. Smartphones are the most popular gadgets today. 2. My brother loves collecting electronic gadgets. Machinery. Machinery. Machines or the parts of machines used for a particular purpose, often in industry or farming. Example sentences. 1. The factory has modern machinery to make cars. 2. Farmers use machinery to plant and harvest crops. Material. Material. The substance or things used to make something. Example sentences. 1. The carpenter ordered high-quality materials for the furniture. 2. Scientists study different materials to invent better products. Package. A box, bag, or bundle of items that are packed together, usually for shipping or delivery. Example sentences. 1. I received a package from my friend yesterday. 2. The postman delivered a package to our house. Resource. Resource. Something that can be used to help achieve a goal, such as money, materials, or people. Example sentences. 1. Water is an important natural resource. 2. The school has many learning resources like books and computers. Substance. Substance. A particular kind of matter with uniform properties, or a material with a specific purpose. Example sentences. 1. Water is a liquid substance. 2. The chemist studied the new substance in the lab.